Here at Lloyd Land Rover Kelso, we are pleased to present this Defender 90 D300 75th edition, finished in Grasmere Green metallic paint, with 20-inch gloss black alloy wheels. Some of the standout features on this car include LED headlights, front fog lights, power folding heated door mirrors, keyless entry, sliding panoramic roof, privacy glass, and to the rear of the vehicle we can see the electrically deployable tow bar and mud flaps. Entering into the rear now, we can see the load space with the 40/20/40 rear folding seats. As we enter into the rear of the cabin now, we can see the sliding panoramic roof, as well as the Ebony Windsor seats with centre armrest. And entering into the front of the cabin now, we can see the Meridian sound system, and turning in we have the heated and cooled electric front seats. As we turn now to the multifunction steering wheel, we can see the adaptive cruise control and the heated steering wheel button. We have the digital gauge cluster with satellite navigation display. We have the head-up display on the dash and the hands-free mobile controls. On the touch display we can see the Android Auto and Apple CarPlay support. We also have the heated and cooled seat controls for the front row, as well as the heated rear seats. We have the 3D surround camera display with towing assist view, and on the center console we can see the climate controls with the ride height buttons and gear selector. For more information on this vehicle, please get in touch with our sales team on the contact details provided.